Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat here and welcome back to another video. By the time that I'm filming this video, it means I've reached 1,100 subscribers here on YouTube. Yay! Oh my god, you guys, it's so surreal and I will talk about this on my other video. But for now, on this video, we're gonna be using the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. And na-receive ko siya like siguro first week of this December, something like that. Pero nag-order ako around November and it's very understandable kasi sa mismong Rare Beauty kasi bumili yun nagpasabay ako. So, dito sa shop na to guys, I will link on the description box as well on the screen right now. Dito ako bumibili mga authentic na makeup products. Sobrang bait ng seller. So, please check it out. So, here are the items na binili ko. Supposedly, 5 to guys. Ang hindi ko kasi nasama is the primer, liquid highlighter, and liquid blush. The thing is kasi hindi na kaya ng budget ko. So, medyo budget ako that time. So, nagsisi ako. And then, nung bala ko mag-add ng order, nag-close na yung thread for the Rare Beauty din sa Facebook group nga na sinasabi ko. So, but that's alright kasi meron tayong ita-try na freebie. Ayan siya. So, this is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. So, we have 6 shades right here and I'm seeing naman na may malapit na shade sa akin dito. So, 250 it is. So, ayan siya. So, kung makikita nyo, magaganda. Kasi iba pwede kong gamitin as contour, but I don't usually do contour. So, this is the shade that I'm going for, 250 W. Warm. 250 warm. So, first impression sa packaging, wow, ang ganda. Like, hindi siya like ordinary box. Like, for example, this one, no, sa Clissora, di ba, ano lang siya, smooth, tas diretso. Ito kasi may parang lines na naka-emboss. I hope nakikita sa camera, but hindi siya like smooth. Same as the Soufflé matte lip cream. Ayan, hindi siya like smooth. So, this is the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. So, as you can tell, merong balls sa top. Based sa mga napapanood ko dati and comments, is that this ball helps people who have arthritis since Selena struggles with it. Diba, may lupus siya. And yun daw yung nakakatulong. May ganito din sa concealer, liquid blush, and then primer. Yan. So, this is the foundation. But, buti hindi siya nag-spill. Medyo ano lang siya, medyo kumalat lang siya sa loob nung applicator. Kung nakikita nyo yung pinakadulo sa loob ng applicator, diba? Maraming foundation. So, understandable again kasi nga sa States pa to binili. But, yeah. So, it smells like foundation talaga. Wala siyang hinalong scent or fragrance like flowers, vanilla, and such. So, which is good. So now let's try the foundation, but first I'm going to use a primer. So this is the Touch in Soul No Problem. It's one of my favorite primers. Di naman siya like totally matte, but maganda kasi siya once you apply foundation. On top of it, it's very smooth. Yung longevity niya maganda talaga para alam nyo kung anong primer ginagamit ko since di ba nga ang match dito is yung primer ng Rare Beauty, but then again, hindi kaya ng budget ko. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty foundation. So, this is in the shade 290, medium with neutral golden undertones. So, I don't usually like apply it to my face, pero para sa video na to, ooh, it looks like a perfect match. Kasi usually kapag ganyang golden siya or yellowish, perfect na perfect siya sa akin. So, hindi ako kumukuha sa mismong loob, dun lang sa may parang sa taas. Kasi nga, nagkalat-kalat siya. It feels nice once you apply it to your face. Parang wala kang nilalagay. I swear. So now I apply the foundation. So on this right side, I will use a foundation brush. And on this left side, I will use a damp sponge. So let's start with the brush first. So, I'm done with the brush side. Now, I'm going to use the damp sponge side now. So, So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see the difference. Again, on my right side, I use the foundation brush, and then on the other side is a beauty blender. Usually naman kapag gumagamit kayo ng brushes to blend out liquid foundation, it has more coverage than sponge kasi beauty sponge, mga beauty blender tends to soak up the liquid foundation. So yeah. And honestly, I am shocked about this foundation kasi it really blends out easily. Like, sobrang bilis. Like, look at that. It's very, very nice. And both are good actually. Both sponge and brush side. So, shade-wise, it's on point. Honestly, like, nakikita nyo naman, diba? Pantay yung face ko sa chest ko. See? Parang nag-press powder lang ako, which is really, really nice actually. And, nag-set siya as a dewy to matte. Parang ganun eh. Or parang siyang velvet satin. Kasi usually sa mga na-try kong weightless or lightweight foundation, it tends to look like weird and unappealing in such a way. Hindi ko alam kung paano ka-explain. Pero sobrang oily niyan tignan. Especially, I have oily skin. It doesn't look good on me. But, ito guys, sobrang ganda. This is perfect for everyday actually, to any occasion. And so far, so good. This is the freebie looks like ng concealer. And at the back, nandito yung mga shade. So, okay, so I'm not going to contour, which I'm going for more like natural. Ayan siya, medyo sumabog lang yung concealer kasi nasa parang capsule na packaging siya. Well, it's a freebie, but siguro to transfer ko to. Kasi parang ang daming product eh. Diba? Parang kung titignan mo dito, parang hindi siya, parang konti lang. So, try na. Ooh! Ang parang makapal siya. Okay, so I will transfer it to my hands as always. Then I'm going to apply like a little bit lang. Ooh! Parang okay sa... Medyo light na ng konti itong 250W. Warm. Oo. Masyadong bright, but it's okay. It's alright. Baka mag-fade din siya. Oh my god, sayang. Wait lang. And so, ganyan kadami yung freebie na concealer. Dami in fairness. And parang, ano siya, a little goes a long way. Kaya, hindi ko masyado kinapalan. So, I will use a sponge. Parang okay na rin pala itong 250N. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to set my under eye. So, I noticed na mas gumanda ang concealer nung sinet ko siya. Necessary kasi para sa akin nga to set it. Kasi nga, if not, if hayaan ko siya medyo matagal yung concealer under my eye, nagkikik siya and nagkakaroon siya ng patchiness. It doesn't look weird. But, this is really looks so smooth, guys. Wait, zoom in ko kayo. See? Ang smooth tignan. The last product we have here is the Rare Beauty Lip Soufflé Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade Inspire. Ito yung nasa mga PR packages, yung or parang profile picture, or ito yung pinaka main picture na look ni Selena Gomez. Ito yung ginagamit niya. And I'm like, why not try it? This is the product packaging looks like. Sobrang ganda ng pagka-matte niya. Hindi siya like totally matte, but may parang silk-ish siya. Super smooth. I like it. And then may logo sa taas. This is the applicator looks like. I love the wand actually. So, when it comes to lip product kasi, I always go for matte liquid lipstick kasi longevity na talagang hindi nagcha-transfer and such. But, it's very rare for me to find the perfect matte liquid lipstick that's not drying at all. May iba kasi na at first, hindi siya drying, tas maya-maya after, siguro you've been wearing like 5 hours, nagda-dry up na siya and nagkaka-patchiness, which is not good. But after trying the Rare Beauty's matte lip cream, I might switch sa mga gantong formula. And similar yung formula niya sa Velvet Tints. And yung Velvet Tints pa lang mostly yung nagugustuhan ko na ginagamit ko usually is the Everyday Loves PH. Yung Velvet Tints sila, super ganda, but it doesn't dry matte as this one. Maganda yung pagka-matte nito. It's not drying at all. And hindi siya ganun ka-intense. This is more like blotted lip product. Kaya kung makikita nyo, di nyo makikita yung solid line around my lips. Ito yung, siguro ito yung magiging trend sa 2021, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi, di ba, we're always going for like a solid, intense, bold lips. But this is something that you can wear in a small occasion or big occasion, this is perfect, guys, as in. Now, it's time to give you guys my final verdict of the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Let's start with the packaging. So, I forgot to mention a while ago, yung box nila sa front is English. Ayan. And at the back, French. So, yan. So, nandito yung PAO, net weight, lahat ng kailangan mo malaman, shade. So, sa foundation na packaging naman, yung shade, ganyan siya. Makikita mo merong bilog, tas yung shade name. Ayan siya. While dun sa lip soufflé naman, yung mismong color, yun na yan. Diba? Saktong-sakto siya, oh. It's a bright red, which really nice actually. Wala akong masabi sa packaging nila, maganda. In terms with the product packaging, let's start with the foundation. Again, yung mga gantong packaging is the primer, foundation, liquid highlighter, liquid blush. Yung mga minention kong product, yun kasi yung merong bola sa mga product packaging nila. It meant to help people who suffers for arthritis. Yung grip, ayan siya, which Selena Gomez has, di ba, may lupus siya. So, ito yung nakakatulong sa kanila para ma-open nila ng madali yan. May mga napanood akong reviews nung nag-launch si Rare Beauty. Nakikita ko basag or either nagsispill agad yung serum. I'm not sure kasi kung matagal ba nakahiga yung foundation nila tas bigla na lang sila nag-film. So, pwede rin ganun, but I'm not sure why. Baka defect din yung mga natanggap nila. But so far, nung na-receive ko siya, and matagal rin siya nakahiga, hindi siya nag-spill or whatsoever. So, siguro sabihin natin sinwerte ako kasi walang defect itong product packaging ko. But the thing is, may downside lang din ako nakita is that nagmaman siya. For example, may nahawakan kang lip product or any such way, or kahit anong product na nag-stain, is nagmaman siya daw siya dito. At di daw nila alam kung paano linisin, kahit gumamit daw sila makeup remover or cleansing balm, ayaw pa din daw. So, for me, wala namang kaso kasi hindi naman siya parang jewelry na isusot mo siya or i-expose mo. And wala, kung may mancha, di may mancha. In terms with the formula naman, it's a very thin foundation. Ang claims ng Rare Beauty is a medium to full coverage, but on my experience, I would say sheer to medium coverage. And if you're like a full coverage queen, this is not for you guys. As in, I feel like if tatry nyo to, if you're like more cakey foundation, wag na wag nyo tong itatry kasi I feel like ibabash nyo lang to. So, don't even bother trying it. So, what I love about this foundation is a little goes a long way. So, earlier, hindi ko alam na sobra na pala ina-apply ko nung blend out ko na siya using a brush and sponge. So, kaya dinamay ko na rin yung neck ko para hindi sayang yung foundation. So, I would say na sobrang konti lang talaga i-apply nyo. Bukod sa a little goes a long way, with this one, it blends out smoothly. And it feels like a serum foundation eh. Kasi talagang nasa-spread out mo siya evenly. Hindi siya yung tipong babalik-balikan mo pa yung certain area para ma-blend siya ng maayos or something like that. Talagang pag i-blend mo siya, sumasabay siya sa movement ng brush or sponge, which is really nice. By the way, guys, hindi ko pa pala nasiset yung foundation ko, as is pa rin siya, but it doesn't dry matte. It's more like a tinted sunscreen but less, sabihin natin, glow or dewy effect. And meron siyang tackiness, yes, but barely naman, kaya it doesn't bother me at all. But if it bothers you, pwede nyo naman siyang iset, but I would prefer a loose powder than a pressed powder. In terms with the shade range, they have 48 shades in total, and yung shade ko again is 290N. It has a golden undertones, which is perfect for my skin. For the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, I would recommend this, guys. 5 out of 5 as in. Again, if you're a sheer to medium coverage person, this is perfect for you. This is perfect to any occasion, as in ko small occasion man or gathering to big gatherings, perfect na perfect to. It's very breathable and it's very natural looking talaga siya, guys. See? So, next is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. Again, they have 48 shades. And I was able to try it kasi nga freebie siya. So, ito yung mga shades. Ayan siya. So, nakakatawa sa sobrang dami, diba? So, although wala akong mismong like, yung parang gantong packaging, but na-experience ko naman siya with the freebie. So, titignan ko lang yung under eye ko. It really looks nice, actually. It doesn't cake on this area sa may under eye ko kasi may parang tupi-tupi ako. May tupi-tupi ako on this part. For the concealer, yeah, I would suggest this. It's really nice. For the last product that I have here is the Lip Soufflé Matte Lip Cream. So, product packaging, medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi ito. Ayan. I think itong paghawak ko ng product. Hindi ko alam na meron pa pala akong matte lip cream sa kamay ko. So, tinanggalan ko na siya ng makeup remover, eye makeup remover, and cleansing balm. Di pa rin matanggal. So, medyo nalulungkot lang ako kasi ito yung mga packaging na gusto mo talagang i-expose. Diba, with your friends. Kasi sobrang ganda. Look at that. The packaging, match naman siya sa lips ko right now. Inspire. So, the applicator looks nice. Again, di ko pa rin alam kung anong tawag sa wand na to. Pero ang ganda niya. Alam mo yung flat on both sides, pero pag nasa side view siya, triangle siya. Ang cute. It's really, really nice. Maganda siyang i-apply sa lip. Formula-wise, I do love it kasi airy, wet, or parang sabihin natin pillowy texture siya. So, sobrang lightweight. It glides on smoothly and blotted looking siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-solid or intense like the matte liquid lipstick. Also, what I love about this, it doesn't crack or emphasize my lip lines. Sobrang ganda niya, guys, as in. Overall, I do recommend this Lip Soufflé matte lip cream sa inyo, especially for those who aren't a fan of matte liquid lipstick. Overall, I highly recommend you to try the Rare Beauty if you guys have budget or to try itong products nila. And this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!